Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing the gaming test with the Huawei Y9s. I've been using this phone for a couple of days now and I have to say I love the way this phone runs so smoothly. So I decided to play a couple of high-level demanding games at its highest quality to see how well this phone can also handle that pressure, considering the fact that it's running on the Kirin 710F processor and the Mali G51 CPU. It also has a 6GB RAM, let's not forget that. To begin with, the phone is running on a 100% fully charged battery, and I'm going to be playing a couple of games like PUBG, Asphalt, and Call of Duty. I have a little timer here. I'm going to turn that on so we can see how long we'll be playing, and also to see how much of the battery will be drained when we are done playing. So let's launch into the Asphalt 9. I'm not much of a gamer, but I'll be trying my best to win a couple of races here. After a couple of minutes into the games, I have to say this phone is running really smooth and there seems to be no lagging at all. Since I lost in the previous one, I'm gonna try my best to win in this one. As you can see, it really is smooth. I mean, everything is so smooth. I also love the fact that this phone doesn't have a notch and doesn't get in the way of my left thumb whilst I'm playing the game. I've played the game on other phones which have the notch, and I'll have to say it gets pretty annoying sometimes. But I love the fact that this one doesn't have the notch and it gives me the free will to move around anywhere I want to, making it very fun. After not winning a lot of the games, I decided to stop and just check how long we've been playing. I realized the battery was still at 100% and I was amazed by this. I checked the time and it was about 7.5 minutes into gaming and the battery was still at 100%. This I found to be amazing. Moving on to PUBG, a much demanding game, I used the GFX tool to change the quality and the frames per second I was going to play this game. So I was going to play it at HD and 60 frames per second. I know a lot of phones that will not be able to handle this pressure, but let's see how this phone does. I miss playing this game as well, and I hope I can make a couple of kills before it ends. Let's see how it goes. At this point, the phone feels slightly warm and I can feel it just a little. But you know, not warm enough for me to start playing, right? Looking at the graphics right now, everything seems to be in high quality and it is still running smoothly. I mean, this phone is really doing its job. It really is amazing. So guys, in short, I have to say I love the way this phone handled the PUBG. It reminds me of the olden days when I used to play with a couple of my friends. It's really fun, and this phone plays it really smooth. It's amazing, there's no lags as you could see. I really enjoy this game, and I wish to play it some more. After getting a couple of kills and getting killed a couple of times as well, I decided to stop playing the game and see how much of the battery we have used. I realized the battery was at 83%, and I was amazed because I've been playing for a long time. And I also checked the time and I realized we have been playing the game 40 minutes in total. Wow guys, this is really amazing and I'm enjoying it. The next game we'll be playing is the Call of Duty, and same, we'll be playing it at the highest quality there is to offer. Already considering the fact that this phone has been able to handle the Asphalt and PUBG so smoothly, I knew that the Call of Duty was also going to be really fun. This one is really making my day. As I was fully immersed in this game and totally forgot that I was making this video, I realized that the timer was getting to the hour mark. So I decided to stop the video. And there you have it guys, this phone handles gaming so amazingly. I'm in love with it already, and I'm gonna recommend it for anybody out there who would like to have some fun gaming as well. And as a bonus, I checked the battery level at the end of an hour of playing. I mean, consider the fact that the screen has been on for an hour, Wi-Fi has been on for an hour, and I was screen recording this as well for an hour. The battery level was just at 77%. We used just a 23% of the battery for a whole hour. Guys, I really love this phone. So this brings us to the end of this video. If you liked it, kindly hit the like button and subscribe if you already haven't. You can leave your comment in the comment section and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching this video guys. Peace, I'm out.